Number 1. KLIEGOU Men's V-Neck T-Shirts. The product description has detailed size information. Please select the appropriate size according to the size chart we provide. Fabric technology, yarn dyed blended. The pattern of the fabric is woven from threads of different colors. Advanced color. Very beautiful, high-quality cotton tee. The fabric is very soft. Moderate elasticity. Comfortable to wear, minimalist style. Suitable for leisure sports. A variety of color combinations create a mod. Number 2. Into the AM Premium V-Neck T-Shirts for men. Best V-Neck T-Shirt. These men's premium V-neck T-shirts are made from a high-quality fabric that's designed to keep you comfortable and looking great all day, every day. Lightweight, breathable. Our V-neck undershirts for men are made from our signature blend of cotton polyester, is lightweight and breathable. This versatile V-neck T-shirt is the best go-to for your everyday wear. Flattering fit. Our V-neck shirt has a modern. Number 3. Kingsted T-shirts for men pack. Royally comfortable Kingsted men's T-shirts are designed to look and feel like an old favorite. These super soft classic tees for men will quickly become your favorite comfy T-shirts you wear first. Premium fabric. Our basic shirts for men are made with premium blend of polyester cotton T-shirt fabric. The finish is a wrinkle-resistant, fast-drying, and ultra-durable high-quality T-shirt for men. Number 4. Under Armour Men's Tech 2.0 V-Neck Short Sleeve T-shirt. UA Tech is our original go-to training gear, loose, light, and it keeps you cool. That's why this men's training T-shirt is everything you need. Loose, fuller cut for complete comfort. Material wicks, sweat dries really fast. Number 5. Real Essentials 5-pack, Men's V-Neck Dry Fit Moisture Wicking Active Athletic Tech Performance T-shirt. Make a statement. Upgrade your activewear game with the unique V-neck design of these men's shirts. Stand out and look stylish during any active exercise or casual day out. Comfort meets performance. These quick-dry athletic T-shirts provide ultimate comfort and top-notch performance whether you are working out or at the gym, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable all day. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.